What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube with another vehicle spotlight. I don't know why I get so excited for these. This time we got a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 on a 6.5-inch BDS, some 20x12's and 35's. Let's go. All right, so first things first, obviously to get this wheel and tire set up to fit on here, we got to get a lift kit installed. So this customer went with the BDS 6.5-inch lift. So you can see overall stance, it sits pretty level. We're on a little bit of a downhill slope here, but the truck sits level with the 6.5-inch kit in here. He did upgrade to the Fox shocks at 2.0s all the way around. So this is still a torsion bar system truck, so that's like how the lift's achieved. They got the knuckles, the torsion bar relocation bracket, all of that good stuff in here, and then all the extensions and drop downs you need to make everything work and line up so you got proper angles on everything. As far as wheels and tires go, you can see he's got the 20x12 Ballistic Rage. This is the black with milled edges, so you can see this silver part around the outside here. That's what I'm talking about when I talk about the milled edges. Then also has the rivet style on the rim of the wheel as well. This is just milled into here. Covered cap, so not one that you're going to run the spike lug nuts on. And this is sort of a hybrid wheel. So you see, obviously it has a big lip, but these spokes are also slightly concave, meaning this edge sticks out further than the center of the wheel here, so it kind of swoops back in there. It's kind of a hybrid style. This wheel does have a hard ridge here, so it's not going to be as deep looking as some of the other wheels out on the market. As far as the build test goes, coming up just short of that 6 inches, probably about 5 1/4, 5 1/2, roughly, on your 12 wide, which is pretty standard. That's what you're going to kind of see on the 12 wide wheels. -44 offset. So if you take a look from the front, you can see the wheel's slightly turned, but it sticks out, you know, a good couple of inches here. It doesn't look as aggressive as some of the other 12 wides and 35s that we've seen in before, and part of that is due to the tires we selected. So this is the Atturo Trail Blade Mt, and this is a 35 12.5 R20. So what that means is you got 35 tall, 12.5 wide for 20-inch wheel. So you'll see you got tons of sidewall here. So this is a 20 and this is a 35, so plenty of room there. As far as if you did want to take this thing down some gravel roads, you definitely could and wouldn't have to worry too much about digging up your wheel. But one thing with the Atturos, like I said, why it doesn't look like it sticks out quite as far, is they do run a little bit narrow. This actual tread path here is just short of that 12.5 inches, so not quite as wide as some of the other guys on the market. Now, to make this fit as far as trimming goes, you do have to do minor metal trimming. So the inside of this bumper is cut here, the actual metal piece. Can't probably see it, but it's what I'm tapping on right behind with my hand there. And then the bottom of this valance as well, you got to cut some of that off, and then you can clear. The inner fender liners as well have to be pushed forward, which is something super simple that everybody can do. Just push those up so that you don't rub there, and then don't have to do anything in the back. It does clear okay back there. Going out to the back of the truck, it does have color match tint, so the rears come tinted factory. Tint the fronts to match roughly that 15-20% mark. This is a midnight edition truck too, so basically everything comes black on it already. Out back, pretty simple lift system. It's going to be your standard blocks. Did upgrade to the Fox 2.0 shocks, and then one other feature that this customer selected is the recoil traction bars, so you can see those there as well. Color match bumpers, like I said, that's part of the midnight package that you get from factory. The color match bow ties. He's got aftermarket taillights, which we do carry all like the Recon taillights, headlights, and third brake lights on our website now. If you want to grab a set, we do have them on there. But this guy drove all the way from Indiana to come up here, so he's here now. We're gonna have to give him his truck back. We just wanted to do a quick walk around. I'll show you the front real quick too. Pretty much stock up here. The only thing he's got going on is gonna be the vinyl over the edges of the headlights here. So this would be orange typically that you'd see. So he's got that vinyled out, so that's all blacked out. Black bow tie, black bumpers. And that's pretty much it. Got them hooked up with the custom offsets decal, and that is going to be your spotlight on a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 on 20x12's and 35 12.5. If you guys have any questions on wheels, tires, suspension, check us out, customoffsets.com. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Peace!